This is my dog. He's my pretty dog. He's your minion ball. Doesn't look bad. We'll see how it is. That's low-key an ugly mouse. Oh, it's so light. Okay, that's crazy. Throw that over there. I'm gonna put this stuff in and I'll get right back to you guys. BRB. Alrighty, this is the new keyboard. This is the new mouse. Bought it so you guys don't have to. This, I will say, first initial off using it, very light, like holy shit. I definitely am gonna need a higher DPI. I gotta download some kind of thing for it, and I will show you that. And then keyboard, it's all right. Seems all right, let's see. All right.